I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear.
What you just watched is a kids cartoon music video made entirely with AI in just 8 minutes. And channels doing this exactly are pulling in anywhere from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars every single month on YouTube, completely faceless, with no camera, no crew, no editing software, just a track, visual style, and just one tool. Let me show you the exact workflow so you can build yours today. Step 1. You have to paste a link to your Suno track or upload an MP3 file. I'll drop mine in and Atlabs reads the entire song right away. Those steps along the top, music, style, concepts, cast, that's the whole process, and we already cleared the first one. Before anything renders, I lock the loop. First the aspect ratio, I'm going to 16:9. Then I choose the visual style such as realistic, claymation, anime, paper cutout, flat 2D, and a custom toggle if you want to build your own. And for this reason, I'm picking 3D cartoon. Whatever you choose here says the entire world of the view. For a kids channel, that consistency is everything, and it's what makes viewers come back. Here, Atlabs reads the song, analyzes the tempo, mood, genre, and pitches you with full creative directions on its own, like a director handing over finished treatments. I can open any concept and rewrite it, or just hit describe your concept to write my own from scratch. You direct and the AI does the heavy lifting. This is my favorite part, casting. Atlabs has already built in characters and objects your concept needs, and you can review, swap, or even delete any of them. For a kids channel, this matters a lot. Your characters become the face of your brand. So get them right once and Atlabs keeps them consistent across every single video. Quick pause, if you want to try this, Atlabs is going to be linked down in the description. You can open it in another trap, drop in your own track and start creating content yourself while you just watch the rest. Every time someone buys a subscription from the link in the description, it helps our channel grow and push out even more educational content for you. Now let's look at what it generated. Style locked, concept chosen, character set. I hit finalize and Atlabs builds the complete video timed to the song, and the result is solid. It gets you about 80% of the way there in one single click. Look at the consistency here. The characters, objects, styles are all on point. This is just the foundation, not the finished product. Now comes the part that turns a good draft into a finished video, directing it the rest of the way. This is the part that actually matters and why I use Atlabs. Every scene is editable on its own. I go shot by shot instead of regenerating the entire video over and over again and hoping that it lands. This video felt out of vibe. I pushed the style and regenerated just this one scene. You can see the before and after. The motion was weak here, so let's use Sequence 2 and regenerate it. The character drifted here, so let's fix that with GPT image 2. This one frame right here needs to start on beat. Let's open the editor and fix that. And that's the whole idea. You take a good AI draft and lift it scene by scene into something yours. Now let's have a look at the final output.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear.
It's a complete kids music video, ready to upload with your style, concept, characters, generation, and editing all done inside Atlabs. One video closer to a channel that runs itself. So that is the whole workflow. Upload a kids track into Sono, pick a style that fits your channel, cast your characters, generate the full video, then tighten it scene by scene. One video is done in a single sitting. Now imagine doing that 3 to 4 times a week. That is how Faceless Kids YouTube channel scale on YouTube. Each video is another set that's working for you, ranking on YouTube Kids, collecting views while you sleep, and Atlabs is the tool that makes that volume actually possible. The link's going to be down in the description. You can try it out on your first track.